Hello everybody, hello Ivy, welcome back to Operation Warspite. This is going to be the KMT and USA turn 11. It's going to be another short one, so we will just get right on with it. We begin with the KMT. They have 8 to spend, they're going to be spending 6 and collecting 6, it's just going to be 2 infantry. 1 non-combat move, we're going to take 2 AAA from the 107th and we're going to place them in the 106. And that will be that. We'll go to placing the units. One is going to go into the 106, one is going to go into the 107. And that will conclude the KMT. We go over to the United States. I did the technology roll on Discord, and I succeeded with large ship construction, which completes, and long range aircraft, which goes up to stage 3. We can go to the United States purchases. Now that we have large ship construction, we are going to start with 2 heavy battleships. We will also be purchasing transport, a seaplane, 2 militia upgrades, 2 US Marines, 4 infantry. We'll be lending the Soviet Union a medium bomber, and we'll be lending the British Empire a tactical bomber. And that will spend 69. Nice. And we will be saving 2. We move over to our combat moves. There are a few. In fact, I believe there's only one. We're going to be sending this fighter in Southern England on map in a 23. I'm going to put him there. Figure this out somehow. That will be our only combat move, I believe. Yes, so we'll do our non-combat moves. We only have a couple in the Pacific. We're going to move these 2 submarines to Midway. We're going to move the 5th Fleet to Hawaii, P-29, which will be blockading the port. And that's going to be it. It's not all, actually. No, it's all. We're going to go 2 fighters from San Francisco, and they're going to fly and join the fleet. And we're going to do it the right way. Like this. There we go. He says, messing it all up. I don't know what's wrong with it. Okay, whatever, screw it. Then we'll go over to Europe. We've got some moves. We've got these 3 transports. They're going to be using strategic naval move and also not strategic naval move, depending on where they are. And they're going to go over here. I don't think we need that massive import thing. They're going to go import into Northern England. But they're going to be dropping off the units into the what's it called? The 79th. I'll tell you that later. Have a seaplane in New York to fly to Nova Scotia. The fleet in A21 is going to come off of escort duty, and it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to go into A23, and I'll probably make a task force mark for that and tidy it all up. This fighter is going to go from Northern England to Southern England and join the 79. And I believe that's it for my non-combat move. Let me just check the board. That does appear to be it. So now that we have completed our combat and non-combat moves, we shall go over to placing the units. We will remove these 2 red battleships. They were there just for the price. Excuse me, my laptop is bugging out. Shut up. Let's see, everything here is West Coast. In the 42nd, we're replacing these 4 guys, and let's see, taking 2 of these off, so that will become a grey or whitey one for the supplies. That'll be 2 infantry, and then these 2, one will go into Southwestern United States, and one will go into the 42nd. I'm gonna get this right in a minute. I'll tidy all this up. I've been doing all these things later, and this transport's going to go import into here. And we have these things on the East Coast. The Soviet medium bomber is going to go the same route. from New York up via Scotland, because it can easily avoid the German submarines, and then over into Leningrad. There you are, still enjoy. The tactical bomber is going to go into the 88, I think. That's all didn't say, but I think that's where he wants it to go, so that's where I'm going to put it. And then there's my final seaplane, which is going to go into. I was going to put it in Texas, but I don't know why I won't just put it in Washington. It can only go 1, 2 there, but it can go 1, 2 there. And that's the 3 line. Can't remember why I thought I was going to put it in Texas. If it's there, it can only cover those two, which means that. Oh, because Nova Scotia is there, so you can go 1, 2. You can cover that. Whereas if I go into Washington, D.C., I can't cover that. Yes, that makes sense. Okay, yes, that is going in Texas. Okay, yes, I'm happy with that. I believe that will conclude placing the units. So we'll collect income. I'm still on 71, so I will have 73 to spend on the next turn. Right. Yes, that will conclude everything, so I will hand over to Fender for Germany turn 12. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.